Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back again today with another 2 trades. Love trading the euro and the pound, and I attached it to the New Zealand as in real time. Everything was setting up, looking good. Today's date is June the 24th, and about 5 or 6 minutes before 8 a.m. this morning, I took both the trades. I sold both pairs. Now on both of these trades, they were not a great way to trade. I trading the channel. In other words, you're going to be buying near the bottom and selling at the top. So when it was near the top and stalling out here, as you can easily see with this, as you can see, price is making a bit of a higher high here. Some people will call this a double top. But at the bottom down here in the MACD, we can see that the bars are going down. You can easily see that. So just in case you didn't know what that is called, it's called negative divergence. And of course, when I saw that, I knew that it was going to come back at least to the goal line with potential to go more. So I took the trade, as I said, about 5 or 6 minutes before 8. So let's just drag and drop this in to see where I got in at. Here it is right here. Getting the signals from back here. I missed it by a few pips from there to there, whatever that is. Oh, 10 pips. Can only take the trade when you see it. Would have been a little bit better right here, but not a big deal. I'm not too worried about it. I took the trade at this cursor. Now it did go against me about 8 pips, and for no particular reason other than I saw that it was approaching the ADR, and I decided to close the trade as I was happy with the pip totals, and that happened to be 26 pips, and 26 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $2,252. Now I know it continued down a little bit more, but as I said, it was coming close to the ADR, and the ADR on the Euro New Zealand is 140 pips, and as you can see today it's 196. And any day I can get hovering around 50 pips, I'm generally very happy with those totals. So I usually do 2 trades, sometimes 1, sometimes more than 2. It just depends. If the market moves enough, then I'll just manage it and then close the trades. So let's move on to the next pair here, which is the pound New Zealand. Let's drag and drop it up. Exactly the same thing. Getting entry points way back here for selling. And then again in here and here. So I got in at a pretty good price, considering it only went 6 pips against me. Again, I got in about 6 minutes to 8, and I closed the trade at this point. Looks like with 34 pips, and 34 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $2,977. So if you're adding up the pips, that's a grand total of 60 pips for today. And those 60 pips paid $5,229. And like I said earlier, if I can get hovering around 50 pips, between 40 and 60 pips, anything in there, I am very happy. I call that a great trading day, or other words, a very good trading day. Remember, you don't have to trade a lot, and you don't need a lot of pips. And once you get good at it, then you just add more lots. And then, as you can easily see down at the bottom, the money's very good. For today, it was roughly about, looks like less than an hour's work. And as I'm looking at the 2 charts, we're starting to get signals for buying. And of course, I teach exactly very good entry points where your stop should go, which should be right below this channel here. So I teach all of these tips and tricks within the training videos, exactly how to trade the channel. Much more so within the golden trigger system. So if your system is not producing like my magic trigger system, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this right up. It's a magic trigger system. I do charge $250. Now, I do have an ongoing limited time special offer. For an extra $50, I'll give you my very best top 3 systems. I'll include the golden trigger system and the pip trigger system. So that works out to $100 for each one. That makes out the best deal for the week or the month. Now my magic trigger system has over 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter, this one that you're looking at. Would not trade without it because it points me in the direction that I should be going in. Now, I also include a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, which will help you to succeed at trading the markets. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade, and that is why I teach a lot of ways to trade. And that is why I've produced 40 training videos for the magic trigger system, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. Just over the past week, I did 4 more videos. It went from 36 to 40. And those 4 videos are this one right here, where I show some great trade setups. Exactly what you should be looking for. Now the majority of the trades in these 4 videos are a great way to trade. That is my most favorite way, has the highest success rate. I recommend that you learn this, and so these first 2 at the top here will get you going in that direction. Now in all the videos I give a lot of trading tips. I teach how to back test the magic trigger, how to scalp the market, how to scan the market. Also teach how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. I also teach how to do pullbacks. Now this is a pullback right here from the top down to the goal line. Now if it bounced off here and kept going up and broke the top, then this would be just called a pullback. And if it breaks through the goal line and keeps going down as such today, then I call that a reversal, which is what I also teach how to trade. So either getting in at the beginning higher up, or you can always take the trade rate in this area, as there's always a lot of action around the goal line, and you can certainly grab some pips from here down to there. So let's see now. I also teach how to trade the channel, which is what I did today. I sold near the top, and I teach exactly how to do that and where your stops should be. After 50,000 hours of chart time and watching price movement, I just know on a daily basis if it's going to go up or down. And once you master that, how the market flows, then the light will go off, or you'll see the light at the end of the tunnel, and you'll start to find success. Let's see. I also teach how to trade the goal line. As I mentioned, there's always a lot of action here and here. There's a lot of trades in which you can take, like selling right about here and right about here. So let's see now. Hardest thing to do is how to trade the news, and I don't recommend starting off with that, as a great way to trade is the easiest way to trade, and you will find a lot of trades all day long in all 3 sessions. As I said, you'll find many trades, so you can trade literally 24 hours a day, but just keep in mind there's some more quiet times, like in the afternoon at 3 o'clock. You know, it's I'm not going to move 200 pips. So I teach exactly which pairs you should be trading and the best times to be trading. All that is within the training videos. I also teach how to trade with a day job. Now, if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And if you live too far, just send me an email right here. Here is my email address. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now, I do prefer Skype. And here's my Skype link right here. It's Forex Nelson. You just have to click on, that's my Skype ID. And you just have to click on this link and we'll have a connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, which should last about 45 minutes. Now, over many years, I've been building trigger systems, a total of 26. And if you want to see some screenshots, all you got to do is click on this link. About 5 or 6 months ago, I did a review of my top 2 best trigger systems. If you click on this link, you'll see a review on it. And of course, after I merged those 2 together and came up with the magic trigger, I did a review, and all you got to do is click on this link. So I believe that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.